Hey, yeah. I don't know what's going on here, but I'm sure going to listen. Yeah, Soapy. Soapy. What are you doing, Hope? What are you doing? You are one silly little bird. Here, come here. Come on. I want to show everybody your feathers from the back. Okay. Now that was nice and cooperative. And there's Pitch in the background just saying, I don't know what the heck these two are up to. But he's gotten very noisy lately. Very noisy. You nut.